Hey guys, so Tim and Donna here with Visual Testaments, and we want to go over the gardening that we're doing. We're doing the Back to Eden gardening, and we are getting everything set up. We actually have a portion already set up, and we're working on another area that has a lot of grass. So Tim's going to go over a few things.
Hey gang, Tim Avery here. So working on our Back to Eden garden. Right now we're laying down some newspaper, which is a good barrier for weed control, weed protection, or not weed protection, but weed control. That way it just kills the weed. And then we're gonna lay this wood chips down, which we got a pile of it over here. And we love this stuff because it just helps to get the soil ready for the next springing or the next time we plant. So this is gonna be a great time. So we hope you take a watch and just tune in. So I'll get back to doing that.
Yeah, so it's August right now. For those of you who are wondering, it's August. We're getting everything ready for spring. So we'll keep updates coming. Make sure you join our Patreon page, patreon.com/visualtestaments, so that you can learn more.